and welcome to Project in Progress. I'm Haley from Architectural Justice. Today the guys are going to be creating a custom console table with an epoxy fill. So this piece is going to have a spalted curly maple top, and it has hot rolled metal plasma cut, sort of an industrial style base. So Eric has already gone ahead and cut and sanded the top of the piece. Now he's going to start mixing the epoxy fill. He's using 2 parts resin to 1 part curing agent. This can vary a little bit depending on the brand that you use. He's also going to be mixing in mica flakes. So mica is a rock-forming mineral, which characteristically breaks into sheets or flakes. In many cases, when you see that shine or sparkle in countertops, what you're seeing is the mica. So next he's going to be using the torch to get rid of all of the unwanted bubbles. It takes a minimum of 12 hours to dry. In this case, it's actually going to be drying overnight. So he's going to go ahead and sand off the top layer to make it level with the rest of the wood. Here he's wiping off the water. This just gives us a hint of what it's going to look like after the top coat is added. Back in our metal shop, Jim is fitting the metal base pieces together. Here he's going to apply the finish using a hand rub stain. It's extremely important to remove the excess stain. It helps reveal the full clarity of the grain. Also wipes the epoxy sections to prevent the epoxy from absorbing the color of the stain. Then sprays on a clear coat to protect the finish. Honestly, this takes about 30 minutes to dry, but we're going to let it cure for about a day before we deliver it to the customer. And here we have it, the final pieces fully assembled. Feel free to comment below any questions you have. If I don't know it, I'll be sure to ask the guys for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Project in Progress.